Sujata was a young woman. He lived near the forest. She had a wish to thank the tree god. She prepared a special dish called rice pudding. When sees Siddharth sitting under the tree, she thought he was the tree god himself. She offered the rice pudding to him with great devotion. Siddhartha accepted the food and ate it. This meal gave him the strength he needed. He realized that the body must be healthy to achieve wisdom. This is the middle path, not to